Hey everyone, in this video I will be giving my honest opinion on the NetMirror application and whether it's actually safe to use after my own personal usage with it for a few weeks. Let's dive right into it. NetMirror basically advertises itself as Netflix for free. Anytime an app claims you could watch paid platforms like Netflix or Prime Video without a subscription, that's your first red flag. That means the content is being streamed without proper licenses, which is straight up piracy, not a loophole. The next problem is how you install it. NetMirror isn't on the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. To get it, you have to download an APK from third party websites and turn on Install Unknown Apps in your settings. When you do that, you're bypassing your phone's normal security checks and trusting a random website with full access to your device. On top of that, antivirus tools and users online have already flagged NetMirror style APKs as potential malware and privacy risks. Even if it looks like Netflix on the surface, you don't really know what the code is doing in the background. So here's the bottom line. NetMirror combines illegal streaming with increased malware risk. If it's not worth trading your device security and personal data just to avoid a subscription, stick to official streaming apps or legal free services instead. If you like this video, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to Howard's How To's for more simple tutorials just like this.